Hello, my name is Bradnee. I'm the Executive Secretary of the Convention on Migratory Species, which is part of the United Nations Environment Program. I'm delighted to send you my greetings to this year's WhaleFest. We at the CMS are committed to conserving terrestrial, aquatic, and avian migratory animals throughout the range, including many species of whales and dolphins. In order to protect them across political borders, we work with governments and conservationists to develop many internationally coordinated conservation measures and activities. The 120 member states of the Convention, including the UK, met in November 2014 and made many key decisions that will affect marine species, covering diverse topics such as boat-based wildlife watching, marine debris, shark finning, and climate change. There are two resolutions that I want to talk a little bit more about. The resolution on the conservation implications of cetacean culture is one. It was a remarkable step forward in many ways, mainly because it was the first time that in the framework of an intergovernmental treaty, the non-human culture was actually recognized. We are learning that the transfer of knowledge between individuals is of major importance for many species and results in distinct groupings, even with genetically similar populations. As with human culture, cetacean culture can be both conservative and innovative. It can enable the animal to cope more easily with a changing environment, or on the other hand, make it harder for them to adapt to changes. So studying and understanding the role of culture is essential when developing tailored conservation measures. To provide a link between the science and the policy, the Convention will establish an expert group looking in more detail, not only in terms of cetacean culture, but culture in terms of other species listed on the CMS, including primates and elephants. The second resolution that I want to highlight focuses on the live capture of cetaceans from the wild for commercial purposes. The CMS has been set up to conserve wild animals, but when individual animals are taken or removed from the wild for capture or captive display or for research, the effect on the wild population is the same as if they were killed, as they're no longer available to help maintain the natural healthy populations. By means of this resolution, the 120 governments made a strong statement against live captures. And this was for two main reasons. The effect of live capture that it has on the population, maintaining a healthy population, but also for the concern for the animal in relation to capture and the transport and the keeping of the cetaceans. The Convention on Migratory Species brings together countries from all over the world to address the many challenges we face in trying to ensure effective protection of marine life. Human activities continue to pose a threat to these animals. I encourage you to join our efforts to protect whales and dolphins along with their vital habitats. Your daily choices matter. Please enjoy the colorful and educational program of the WhaleFest and be inspired to be part of a future with a stronger voice for whales and for dolphins. Thank you.